So, who is our lucky bride to be? Honey, Cupid chose you over everyone else. This will turn your life on its head. For starters, you have to get important wedding things. Girls, I'll help you with that, because no wedding can do without a wedding planner. Let's start with a bouquet. Here are a few options that I like. What do you think about them? What are you doing? Stop! Don't fight! I've got an idea. You already won in love, but you will have to compete for the bouquet. Accessories, a mixer. I guess you have everything you'll need. Wow, you're all dressed up already? Hey, hands off! Everyone has their own bowl and ingredients. I'll be tracking the time. Get to work. I see you're really determined to win. Huh, that's a fun discovery. If I'll ever want someone to be quiet, I'll just ask them to whip some icing. You look so cute in these wedding dresses. I'm sure your cakes will turn out gorgeous to match the baker's. For a caramel wedding cake, whip 6.5 pounds of room temperature butter. Add in 35 ounces of caramel and 18 ounces of cream. And while busy doing that, I'll get you ready for the main event. Don't get distracted, cook. A few strokes, and we are one step closer to an amazing hairstyle. Don't worry, we'll curl it right here, and right here. No thanks. And now the other one. Hey, your corset is trying to break free. I'll fix it now. Done! Is it going okay? So, you're so into the process. What a pleasing sight. But let's just clean some space and get to decorating the cake. Put away the things you don't need anymore and take out your sponge cakes. Oh, how sweet! Soon the brides will coat you with icing. And meanwhile, I'll take care of the bridal makeup. There are always professional makeup brushes, eyeshadows, and more stuff in the magic case of a wedding planner. Let's doll up your cute face. This won't hurt your cooking. I need more light, and as long as I am responsible for the glam, move your desserts away. The wedding planner needs some comfort. Yeah, now that's way better. Whoosh, whoosh, and there are sparkly eyeshadows on your eyelids. Let me do your lashes. Stop complaining, I'm almost done. Final touches. And lipstick, of course. Ooh, now you look like Bloody Mary. I don't want to distract you too much. I'll tell you about it later. And I need to do another makeup for the next bouquet candidate. Hey, stop wriggling! I'm in the middle of a serious creative process here. Focus! I need a few more minutes and you will be glowing. You're so restless. But true wedding planners like me don't give up on their goals that easily. Let me apply these luxurious eyeshadows and I'll let you go. Be a good girl and calm down. A girl with no makeup turns into an elegant bride with just a few strokes of my brush. Some lipstick, and I'm done here. I assure you, this will make your lips look so juicy. I'm so clumsy. It's a hint that I need to take a break. You'll have to do without me for some time. Hey, no fighting! Stabbing a cake in our case is as bad as stabbing someone in the back. There's nothing a bride won't do to have it her way. I told you, fix it. You asked for it yourself. Stop giving each other the eye. Even kids on a playground behave better than you. I need to distract you. Hey, did you notice that your bowls match the colors of your cakes? A pink one for a raspberry cake and yellow for caramel. That's because I'm a perfectionist. And you can't find a wedding planner better than me. I'm saying this just in case one of you wouldn't want to use my services after the contest. Think twice if you want your wedding to be flawless. The filling up with both raspberry coulis and caramel is mesmerizing. So what, girls? I'm gonna keep dolling you up. Turn around. Let's style your hair. Hey, you can't have pink elements in a yellow cake. That's a glitch in the system. Do you remember about perfectionism? Both your hairstyle and your cakes have to be perfect. Fine, we'll go back to this issue later. And in the meanwhile, your veil. It looks really good on you, but I'll cover you up on both sides so you don't notice anything extra. For now, everything here is holding up. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Don't kill each other while you'll be coating your cakes with icing. You're doing it so skillfully. Huh, and rude, princess. Girls, bury the spatula, or there will be trouble. Here we go again. Calm down. We'll have to do something about it. Come to me, bully. I'll fix your smudged makeup a bit. There you go. Don't resist. Psst, do it. I'm letting you go in a moment. I'm sorry, I got carried away. I wanted it to be better. Look at these flowers I brought for you. Aren't they beautiful? Well, my baking artists, we're running out of time. Speed up! I'll choose the winner in just a few minutes, and our prize is a wedding bouquet, remember? Decorating the yellow one with cotton and eucalyptus branches is a great choice. Princess, your decor also looks good with a raspberry shade. It would be difficult to choose if it weren't for one little thing. You'll find out about it soon. Stop! You had enough time. It's tasting time now. I'll cut the yellow cake first. The bride tried really hard. She went for 3 layers. I wonder what it looks like inside. Well, this wasn't here before. What? You're just seeing things. The cake is amazing, and I didn't find anything extra in it. Let's check out yours now. It's kinda super hard to cut. Phew! Let's find out why. Let's see. A candle? Well, honey, you can't really hope to win with random objects in your cake. You know, flowers are fine, but wax is way too much. How did you not notice a candle? Did it get into your cake by itself, or what? Well, the judge is stunned. Are you trying to blame me? That's it. I'm not talking to you. You're not getting the bouquet anyway. Congratulations, honey. Your cake turned out excellent. Oh, I can't even look at yours. But what can we do about it? Don't be a bad loser. Bride, I could do with a thank you. Let me count that. Yeah, fine. Oh, how awkward. Time to take off. You decide on your own who's to blame. Not the cake. Cake. Whew, bribing the judge is punishable. On the other hand, the bouquet you wanted so bad is all yours now.